Drowning in credit card debt? You're not alone. Canadians owe more than ever on high interest rate balances, but there's a proven way out. In this video, I'll walk you through a step-by-step plan to pay off your credit card debt in Canada. First, gather all your balances, interest rates, and minimum payments. Write it all down. Most people underestimate what they owe until it's right in front of them. Next, build a budget. Separate your fixed expenses like rent or utilities from the flexible ones like dining out or subscriptions. Cut back wherever you can on flexible expenses. Every dollar you free up is a dollar that can go toward your debt. Now pick a repayment method. The snowball method means paying off the smallest balance first for the quick wins. The avalanche method means tackling the highest interest rate first to save money. Choose the one you'll stick with. Consistency matters more than perfection. If your balances feel overwhelming, professional help may be the smartest step. A debt management plan through a Canadian nonprofit credit counseling agency can lower your payments and interest rates, combine your payments, and cut years off your repayment timeline. Finally, stay on track. Track your progress, celebrate milestones, and avoid taking on new debt while you pay off the old. If you're ready for a personalized plan, visit consolidatedcreditcanada.ca for a free, confidential debt assessment. Don't wait. The sooner you act, the sooner you'll be debt-free.